Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in with Rakuten Advertising to launch US campaigns step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Rakuten Advertising homepage. Locate the login button in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login screen. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Sign In button. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard of your Rakuten Advertising account. Look for the Campaigns tab in the menu. Click on the Campaigns tab to navigate to the Campaigns section. In the Campaigns section, find the option for Create New Campaign. Click on Create New Campaign to start the campaign setup process. You will be prompted to select the type of campaign you wish to launch. Choose the campaign type that best suits your advertising goals. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your campaign settings. This may include setting your budget, targeting options, and scheduling. Once you have completed the setup, review your campaign details carefully. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing your campaign. When you are satisfied with your campaign settings, click the Launch Campaign button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your campaign is now live. You can track your campaign performance from the dashboard. Ensure to regularly check in on your campaign analytics for optimization opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.